Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the binaries. A binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, May the 17th, 2024, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So two puzzles remain: Jigsaw Sudoku and a binary. It's a binary time, and this one will be number this one will be number 8555. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then between the ones comes an O, 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 between the ones comes an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then let me see, between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between two, oh, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so that's the O's. 4 O's we have here, so that's the ones. Between the O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Between the ones comes an O, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 3 minutes exactly. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.